Say hi to the camera, Sarah.
Hi, Sarah.
What's your name? What's your name?
What's your name?
Is your name Sarah?
Yeah,
Sarah what?
your sister.
Sarah Setzer.
You turned that thing on?
Yeah, it's the video camera. There's Sarah and there's Josh. And we're going to videotape Josh's volcano experiment. So
Hopefully we'll
If
have a
we
big
d-
explosion.
the reason we're having this experiment is so Josh will quit bugging me, because otherwise he's going to drive me nuts until we do it. And there's Mommy. Smile, Mommy. She's going to probably be the photographer. So, okay, well here we go. Where's the other monkey? Where is he? Over here. Oh, he's hiding. He's shy. Yeah, right. All right. Okay, what we got to do here? Now listen, these directions.
Here.
You call it the.
Just start doing this, Daddy. It's gonna take 5 minutes.
Let me do it.
It's cold. I gotta go with Daddy.
Let me do that.
Where's the bag
No,
that?
no, no.
Josh, where's the bag it came in?
It's in the garbage.
Actually, is that tilted?
That's dirty.
Yeah, this
All right. Well, all right. Well, I guess we won't. This bag's a little stronger than this one is. Do you have your 5 ounces of water?
He said it had a hole in it.
I'm getting the warm water now.
Hey, is that on?
Yeah.
That's on. Let me do this.
Don't touch it.
Let me see.
No, you'll see it later. We'll put it on the TV. Okay?
Let me just stand on the bed. And
I don't know
she
what's
cats
in
on the bed.
Don't
We'll,
touch.
we'll put the kitty cats on after you get dressed and Mommy changes your pants.
Hey, Mommy, after Josh builds the volcano, I can use this as an ashtray.
Yeah.
I can probably use that more.
All right. We have to
Okay, make sure. Wait, let Daddy
Let me-
look. Make sure he's got 5 ounces.
sit on
I
this.
might have
He's
a
gonna
little
blow
less.
up the house with that volcano.
So that's pretty good. Okay, go ahead. Pour it in the bag.
A cheese cutter.
Now,
Hi.
tie a knot in the bag. Why don't you run and get another bag in case this.
Put it in there.
Get a Ziploc bag, Josh.
Yeah,
I
just
told
so.
you to get one anyway.
Water?
Well, he needs food coloring, doesn't he?
Not yet.
Put it in this.
hmm Well, I'll put it in that in case this one breaks. This isn't as strong as the bag that came in that you were supposed to do this in.
There's the food coloring.
All right. Well, what we have to do is we have to mix this up, and then we're gonna. Okay. Careful you don't break it. In fact, we can say, do it in this one. And you have to mix it all. Keep mixing it together.
For like 5 minutes.
All right.
Sarah!
See that? You get it all mixed together real good. Well, so it's all the same. But just take your time.
Be careful, Josh. Don't do it so hard.
Yeah, you don't want to break the bag. You don't have to zip like that. You want to get mixed together real good. It says 5 minutes. It's been about half a minute. Okay.
Go on right at the end.
That'll be okay. And then 3 minutes after. This is the real exciting part of the experiment.
Dad, why don't you read the
Turn around. Do the monkey. Is that how you do it? Here, I'll mix it. Do the monkey. He learned to do that all by himself.
Josh, you know what? You're going to be real embarrassed when we show these tapes to your girlfriends.
Here,
Yeah, you'll be shrugging your shoulders. You'll be crying.
here, mix that up.
Don't show them to my
How much
girlfriends. You
Uh,
gotta keep mixing. You gotta
about
mix
3
for
more
5
minutes.
minutes. Keep mixing, buddy. What is that, the lava?
No, you put a sand mix, and you have to put it on here, and then it lets it get hard, and then you can paint it or do stuff to
I
it.
need to go to the back.
You don't-
back.
You don't just mix it up and then like set fire to it.
You mean you've set fire to this? Better get our fire extinguishers out.
No, there's no matches.
No flames involved. Good. Keep mixing. You want me to stop the camera? It's here. Should I stop the camera while he's mixing?
I don't care. Come here, Sarah. Come here. Come here. Come here. Sarah. Come here.
You better hurry up.
Take Sarah's picture. Look how she stinks.
I know, that's what I was going to do.
And Sarah stinks now. Like a monkey. It's almost ready.
There's the camera. See? There's the camera. Say hi.
Hi.
Hey, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Princess, princess.
Merry Christmas.
That's honey.
Yeah.
Said what the date was?
What is the date today?
28th.
Today is December 28th, Sunday,
1997.
1997. There's another monkey.
Let me take pictures.
He's gonna burp.
Yeah.
Daddy, I'm gonna burp.
And let me take a picture.
Daddy, is it almost ready?
Another minute. Let me check out. Here, come here. 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 You can look in there. See? Look in there. See?
Hey, can I see
Is
it?
that Joshy?
I want to see it. I just want to heights in the camera. Wow, cool.
See?
Open.
Okay. Alright, we have to get on with the experiment here.
That's cool. It's all blue.
Let me see it. I want to make sure it's mixed real good. Hey, the camera got moved. Put it over here. Shine it.
And I'll do it.
I'll send it over towards you. Let me see.
No, alright.
Let me see.
He's all getting away from the cameras.
I didn't see it yet.
You too, Sarah. Get down.
Sarah, come on, you're going in to get dressed. You gotta
Get over there, Josh.
Sarah, Daddy, is it ready?
I think it is, yeah. There.
I gotta. Hey, Daddy, is it possible you can make this thing go higher? Like about that much higher?
Alright.
Set your finger down notches.
You have to notch around this so when the lava flows,
Yeah.
it has those notches. Alright. Take the knot here. No, you're gonna scoop it right out of this bag and you're gonna
Oh,
do it around. Don't fill up the mold. You have to pack it around the edge. Mhm.
That's what I think those notches right there.
Well, you
See those notches.
What kind of cereal?
Hi, Monk.
okay? Here, I'll help you.
Corn Pops.
See, it's this. See? Yeah, it's like
Cool stuff.
see. Don't fill the mold. Because when it erupts, you have to
It
have.
stinks. This stuff stinks a little.
It doesn't. It's just sand mix.
Let me smell it. What's that? Hey, can I put some
Hey,
on?
you want to smell something? Pull my finger.
Can I put some on? How does
There you go.
how does this stuff?
Good.
Ugh, it feels like wet sand.
That's exactly what it is.
Sand mixed with Portland cement on it. Right.
I
Don't
know
fill.
for some
Don't fill up
fun.
the moat.
I'm put some on.
Yeah,
Sarah, you want some corn pops?
I'm trying to dig out.
Yeah, and I turn it off.
Should we put it in there? Or do that like
No, you don't want to put it in there.
Okay.
You want to leave that empty.
Corn bar.
You want to.
I don't want corn bar.
Well, keep
You
it.
want some?
No, I don't want.
I think the camera wants some back.
You got to keep moving on this. This is gonna dry.
No,
Here, get it out there. Get.
Aaron does.
I think it's already starting to dry in
Well,
the eye. Quick
Yeah,
dry cement, I guess.
Yeah, just dry, quick dry. Just keep moving on this. You want to build it up like this.
Get in the room so I can
Like
change
that?
the smell.
Maybe here, but
I
we'll
don't
do,
want caramel.
You want
right here like this.
No.
Fine.
Come on, we gotta keep moving here.
I don't put some on. I don't put them some on. I want some on. I want some with
Here.
some.
There. You want to make it smooth, Josh? See? Sarah, go get some water in this. Go on, go get some water for us. That's why you read the directions before you do something.
How come you don't want
Josh,
to
you
fill
make it smooth.
You know.
How come you
like
don't
you're
fill
smooth,
it
like-
out?
Because when you make it so the volcano erupts, that's where the stuff will go into the moat.
Then you can do
Let
it.
me do.
Ooh.
Let me too.
Oh, I'm sorry. You want me to pull it off?
Doesn't matter, just to kind of wet it. so
Let me
it's-
too.
Okay.
Let me too, Marin.
Sarah, let's go. You get dressed right now. Aaron, your cereal is out.
There's the dips.
Oh.
Then I'll put milk in it.
Let me put some on.
Just a little water in there.
Let me put
Kind of
some.
loosen it up a little bit.
Josh, you found it. No.
Come on, monkey.
Daddy.
Let me
Maybe
put some on.
fix it a bit.
Oh, wait, wait, that's my hand.
Does that have to be dry to make the volcano?
Mm-hmm. It won't take too long for it to dry.
How many, like 10 minutes?
You got about 20.
Let me put some on.
My hands are wet.
And build this up a little bit here. This is starting to get hard already.
Let me too.
I
Let
said
me
about
too,
a
Daddy.
half hour for
Let
it
me
to dry
too.
completely.
Right.
Let me too. Let me see. Let me too. Let me Let me
Do you have to build up the top?
Let me too.
A little bit. Just about half an inch.
Some of them just have papers. Let me too, Daddy. Let me too.
They're very poisonous.
Let me, let me too, Daddy. Let me too. Let me too.
Oops.
One's really poisonous though.
Let me too. Let me
Hot.
too. Yeah, that red one. Let me touch. Let me see. Let me see. Hot? That hot, Daddy.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's hot too. Let me put some on.
Mommy's gonna get me a different.
It's hot.
A different what?
Dad, you got some of that
We're just
stuff in
about out of
my hair.
Sorry.
We're we're just about out of time, Josh. It's getting hard now. Well,
Ooh. Ooh.
Oops.
uh-oh.
Uh-oh was right. Glad this is semi-dry. It might come out a little easier.
That's on my eye.
Did you? Right here.
Oh, I was gonna drink that.
No, you.
It's hot water.
See. It's open hot. Then let me see. Let me see. Maybe let me put some on. Let me put some on.
And it's got one. It's got
It's
what
done.
are you doing? What?
Oh, that's good enough, Josh. I think. Let me see here.
Let me put some.
This is cool looking too. It's like
For a second, I didn't see.
all blue.
Hey, Dad, this is 143.
Oh, I know. The clock's not there.
Hot.
Well, there's our volcano.
Dad, can you hold it up for the camera?
Well,
Safety glasses.
there it is.
This is a wonderful
yucky.
volcano.
Impressive, isn't it?
Yeah.
yucky ball of puke.
Hey, watch your mouth.
Then let me use that.
No,
There's Monkey, there's Daddy. There's
who's the
him.
monkey?
I don't know.
You're a monkey.
Fish at the camera.
There's our wonderful kitchen.
Hey, get off the
Sarah, put
stage
those
and
back.
be
Put them back. Put them back right now. Sarah,
Move your hand.
you want a spank on your hinder?
There's my dad.
Hey, I can see you.
Let me put some on.
Right now, Aaron being a brat.
Hey, so what?
You move in my
We'll
spot.
probably have to wait a half an hour.
Yeah.
Then you can see the rest of our thing. And it's probably when it will be painted. And look a lot better than that.
Yep. It's
And then
just
we'll
a
have the
little
explosion.
thing.
Pretty
It's
much
not
it.
Exploded. Yeah. No.
Boost!
Exploded. No, Barry. I'm putting some on.
Monkey's putting some more on.
No, digging some more out.
If you don't break it.
I will. No.
Okay, both of you, leave it alone. Aaron, that's enough.
Okay, we're gonna wait for it to dry and be back in about a half an hour.
I was the guy at the camera. Me. Hey, Dad, you can sit down. There's a chair right back there.
What are you doing, Sarah?
Digging.
You're gonna put a hole in the.
Yeah, that's enough, Sarah.
I'm digging out the notches right now. It's just about dry. Oh, good. That one piece is dry.
It's 11:15. So,
Oh,
actually, I think it only takes like 20 minutes.
I said it only took 5.
It won't take that long.
It's hard.
All right, you guys get away from it now. Both of you. Sarah?
I mean, my cereal.
Next time you see me,
All
I'll
right,
be
we're
looking
gonna
like
shut down for a little while.
this.
Hey, you want to break the camera?
Hey, Josh, let me see what you look like in the goggles. You look disgusting.
You look disgusting without them on. Here's my dad's wonderful lightsaber.
That's right.